Alright guys, gonna be another short one. Just got this today, and once again, didn't even bother to see who it's from or anything, so let's get there. Don't want to go cutting into the boxes again. So let's see here. We got peanuts. That's some tough stuff. Ugh. There's one. This is one that I'm excited about. Can't even get it out of there. There we go. And a Victorinox. Been a long time since I've had a Victorinox. These I got off of a Blade Forms guy. As you can see, this is the Solo Alox Silver. This gentleman has a eBay site, as I just dropped that on my plate there. This gentleman has an eBay site that he sells these. It's actually pretty cool. He's into like coins and stuff, and so he sells these magnifying glasses, these gift set magnifying glasses. You get 5 really powerful magnifying glasses for like you know, inspecting coins. You could use them for other stuff such as stamps, knives, pretty much anything for like 19 bucks. But anyways, so here's the Victorinox Solo. I have not had a Victorinox actual knife for a very long time. Kind of a funny story behind one of these is not the actual Solo itself, but my closest childhood friend, first knife that he ever received was a Victorinox, and it was one of those big thick fat ones that has all the tools and everything, and his dad bought it for him, and we were actually fairly young, and I was there with him that day. It was given to him for his birthday, and he didn't necessarily know about the snap on these guys, and so he had his finger kind of like this, you know, covering that up when he went to go pull it open, but it slipped out from his fingers as he is pulling it open, and it just popped shut, and it actually cut off the whole side of his finger completely. It was just a big old flab of skin that went flying off. Had to take him to the emergency room and everything. It was pretty funny, but these guys, I'm assuming that this came razor sharp. Usually Victorinoxes are very sharp, straight out of the box, as you guys can see. So love it. This is gonna get thrown into my EDC. Nothing fancy, praises these things, and I really do like this. This is very nice. You got a little spot back here for like custom engraving, like your name, or you know, something like a gift to somebody or something. But absolutely beautiful blade. Fits the hand well, and and you gotta just love those blades. Nice mirrored shine to it, and good blade thickness. That's one thing that's kind of surprising to me. It's the blade thickness on that guy. That's pretty cool. So, don't want to cut any fingers off there, guys. And then in this one, it's a little bit smaller than I really expected. This is the Schatt and Morgan file and wire tested. I actually got both of these together in a pretty good deal. Actually, pretty spectacular deal off of Blade Forums, and like I had stated before. And here it is. This is, can't remember the name of it. I'm gonna have to research it. But there is your model number, the 041140, Series 3. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit out of it. It's been a long day. Good half stop, as I stated in my previous video. Good folders, good slip joint folders. The back spring will be flush, completely flush with the spine back here. So nice snap, everything. That is a beautiful, beautiful blade. Wow. This is my first Schatt and Morgan. Schatt and Morgan does their name stamps or their signature stamps pretty much everywhere on the blade. So it's on the handle. This is made with ATS 34 blade steel. It's 2005 production. There's the model number. And then you've got the F&W file and wire. Can't quite tell what that is below there. Looks like a QC. So, don't know. Since it is my first Schatt and Morgan, I was expecting this one to be a little bit bigger, kind of like the Tony Bose that you guys had seen before in one of my previous videos. But look at the stock on that guy. So there's that. Let me see here. I'll go ahead and bring out my Jim Burke. Give you guys kind of a show of how thick that blade steel is. So that's a pretty good chunk of steel right there, guys. This is a Hunter. I just can't remember exactly what the name of it is. This is bone. This is what they call a worm groove inside of the bone, and not quite sure what type of bone coloration that is. It almost looks antique, so burnt antique. I'll do some more research on it and get the details to you guys at a later time. But beautiful, beautiful workmanship on this. Nice polishing on the inside. And so everybody knows, I give Dog Go Running. I mean, I've always kind of had a fascination with slip joints, but Dog Go Running definitely set it in motion, as well as seeing a couple of slip joints on Blade Forums, custom jobs that are just phenomenal pieces of work. But you guys have always known that I've been into bone and stone and, you know, all that other stuff, and it just so beautiful. So that way I could set something up, nice glass case with a bunch of nice slip joints. So love this thing. Very nice blade, guys. These are fairly decent priced for the quality of workmanship. I am very surprised. Let's see here. I got this typically goes for I guess back in 2005 they were going for about $185. So I got this as well as the Solo for $120 shipped. PayPal everything. So excellent blade alignment. Wow, I'm just so nice knives. These things are gorgeous. But there's that one for you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll probably do a later review of it, give you more details on it and everything. So hope you guys have a good night. Thanks. Bye.